Let me share with you the 4 game changers that are changing the entire landscape of doing business online. And if you'll take these 4 game changers to heart, then you're going to be literally crushing it when it comes to getting new customers and increasing your sales. So game changer number 1, this is where Google has taken each company's website information and has now merged that data along with that company's reputation score given by their customers. As you can see here on the screen, if I search for one of our customers' names, let's say Timco in Oklahoma City, you can see their website is at the top of the list on the left. Then looking to the right, you can now see where Google has combined Timco's company information along with showing their reputation score. This is proof that Google has recognized that people's search habits have changed. Remember psychographics? So Google has reprogrammed their search results, basically making companies naked before the world with their reputation. Good or bad, or none at all, it's really impacting people's sales. Later on, try it yourself and search for a company name plus the city name, and 99% of the time, you'll see them right on the right-hand side over there with their reputation being displayed. So game changer number 1 is big. But, well, it even gets bigger with game changer number 2 because businesses now have to have reviews to compete online. Why? Because as we've seen, reviews are now an integral part of every online marketing resource. In Google, you can see here I've typed in the word Spa Sacramento. What shows up are these 3 companies, but you can see which one stands out. It's the Spa Simply Skin, as it's the one with the highest star reputation. This is like shouting, "Hey, come do business with me. My customers say I can be trusted." On the other hand, Arden Hills Club and Spa has 4.1 stars, and Blue Sky Day Spa has only 3 stars, which obviously tells you maybe don't do business with them, or can they be trusted even to deliver as promised? So the new online currency of all businesses isn't a great website. It's not just SEO, it's trust. Can you be trusted to deliver? And the way we build your trust for you is with online reviews and you leveraging the power of reputation marketing. You can also see it in social media. Most people don't know that Facebook is now the number 2 website in the world when people are searching for businesses online. Earlier, we took a screenshot of our looking for a dentist in Atlanta, and you can see what comes up in Facebook: the company name and reviews, company name and reputation, company name and reputation, company name and reputation. See, it's all over social media, as well as local directories. If I was to type in any company name, you'll notice that the first page wasn't littered anymore with a whole bunch of other stuff. The main type of website that's on page 1 now in Google is Google+, and all the local and social directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and powerful social media directories like Facebook. Also, SEO rankings. Reviews now play a major role in SEO keyword rankings, and you can even use and leverage reviews in your pay-per-click advertising. So you can see the big game changer now in businesses must have current positive reviews to compete online. And current means 3 months or younger. They can't be old reviews, they got to be 3 months or younger. Now, game changer number 3 is all about SEO, social media, pay-per-click, and local marketing. All these strategies don't work, and they're not effective anymore if, and I say if, you're not monitoring everything and you get a bad review. That means if you don't have a system or process or a team that's looking online to find out what people are saying about your company every single day, so that when a bad review shows up at the top of this page, then that means that all that work that you did to get to the top of Google and all that marketing expense literally is now just shouting that you're not a good company. Let me give you a good example. What SEO companies and their clients used to do is they would market their client's business using their website, their SEO, and social. And then step 2, a few of them would help with their reputation. The problem is a business that isn't using a monitoring system won't know when somebody's actually leaving a bad review, such as it's overpriced, or we felt rushed, or they were unfriendly, or even worse, poor customer service. All that work that had been done to get them in front of all these people was then merely marketing how bad their services were because of those 1 or 2 bad reviews that came online and they didn't even know about it. You can see that's the wrong way to do it. They're actually doing it in the wrong order. The right order is for step 1 is to build the 5-star reputation first. And then step 2 is to market that business to get more customers. And that's what we do. We always work with companies and build their reputation first and then market that reputation to get more customers. So can you now see how important it is to be actively monitoring what your customers are saying about you online? Good. You're seeing the real issues here. The fourth big game changer is that reviews give you pre-qualified and pre-sold leads because buyers trust reviews as much as family and personal recommendations. I'd like you to think about this scenario for just a second. Have you ever been talking with somebody in a sales situation and explained your services and they say, well, let me think about it? Well, of course, we've all been in that situation. Well, what if that same prospect walked in with their best friend or coworker or family member and that family member said, look, this is the best company to do business with. They did a great job for me and I still do business with them. Do you think that would have closed the deal for you and then you would have made the sale? Of course you would have. And that's because 88% of buyers trust reviews as much as they do personal recommendations. So having these reviews online are just like having someone's best friend, colleague, or family member raving about you, saying you could be trusted. It helps you close your sales, and your closing ratios will really jump.